Today, we're making a simple Thai basil chicken stir fry. This is such a simple yet delicious chicken recipe that is perfect for busy weeks. Let's get cooking. First, slice one jumbo carrot into thin half wedges. Then slice 2 red bell peppers into about 1.5 inch strips. Slice 2 red onions and mince 4 garlic cloves. For the chicken, thinly cut or mince 2 breasts into strips. This allows the chicken to really blend with the veggies well. Ground chicken can also be used. Add about 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce to the chicken, then about 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of fish sauce, and about 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, then give it a good mix. Allow to marinate for at least 1 hour. While we wait, let's thinly slice 1 Thai chili pepper and add this to the garlic. On a pan set to high heat, we'll add some oil, then add our garlic and Thai chili. Add some of our chicken, allow it to cook while continuously mixing it. Set this aside and repeat for the rest of the garlic and chicken. Heat up some more oil and then toss in the red onion, then red bell pepper, sugar snap peas, or sliced carrot, and add about 5 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Cover it and allow to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, mainly checking to make sure the carrots begin to cook. Add back the chicken, and finally the Thai basil. Toss it all together before plating. Each bowl will get some Thai jasmine rice and a scoop of our stir fry. And boom, there you have a simple but delicious Thai basil chicken stir fry. These are absolutely delicious and have a great balance of flavor and veggies. This recipe in particular makes about 12 servings, but you can always scale the recipe to make less. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and what foods you want to see next.